Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a video presentation in Adobe Spark. You will see that I have the home page open in Adobe Spark already, and I'm going to select the Create a Project button. Pressing on that, my drop-down menu appears, and I scroll down and select Video. Once I have that, it asks you to tell about your idea. So I am going to say all about me, hit enter, then I wait for Adobe, and then I have a video template pop up. Down in the bottom of the box of the screen, you see that you have three different slides. So you have slide number one, and then you have a credits slide and something called an outro that you're going to ignore, and the credits automatically fill in. So you really only have one slide to work with right now. So the first thing that you need to do is come to the left-hand side and press that plus sign about 4 times. And now you have all of these slides down here that you can work with. After you press the plus sign, it does not automatically take you back to slide number 1. So you need to take your cursor and using the drag bar at the bottom, scroll back to slide number 1 and select that. And now you are ready to begin creating your video. The first thing that you would like to do when creating a video is, of course, create some kind of introduction. And so your first slide would always be a title slide. And on the right-hand side, you see your menu. You have all of these choices on the right-hand side. If you use this scroll bar on the far right, you come to the bottom where it says title and text. You select that, and what it does is change the layout of the slide. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to create the title. The title is, what is this going to be called? And so, like I said when I am going to say all about me. And then I'm going to put my name. And sometimes you might want to add your teacher's name or add the date. That is a personal choice. So now I have my title and my name, and that looks really plain. I want to add a picture. What I need to do is press that plus sign, and I'm going to photo. This is just like doing it with the Spark flyer, where you come here and it says add photos, and you click on find free photos. Now I want to search for pictures. And I want a pretty background. I like flowers. So I'm going to type in flowers and I want something that's going to fill in my entire background. So I want to look for something that takes up a lot of the page, but that doesn't um, take away from my title. So I'm going to choose this one, and I think I like that. So I'm going to leave that like that, and that is my title page, and now I'm done with that. And so now all I have to do is come down here to the slide number 2 and work on my next slide. We are going to continue to go to the right-hand side where the menu is. And this, remember, shows us the different types of formats that we can have on our screen. So the first format is full screen. On full screen, you can insert a photo in the background and have text over the top of it. So because I like flowers, and then I could press that plus sign and type my text. And that is what a full screen would look like. And that's that for